Hello everyone and welcome to the session 6 of Unit 3 Estimation in Machine Shop for the course Estimation and Costing. Myself Mohammad Imran. So next problem is the problems on drilling. Find the time required to drill the 4 holes in a cast iron flange each of 2 centimeter depth. If the hole dia is 3 centimeter, assuming cutting speed as 21.9 meter per minute and feed 0.02 centimeter per revolution. So you need to find the time required for drilling 4 holes. The diameter of the hole is 3 centimeter and the depth of the hole is 2 centimeter. So cutting speed is given as 21 meter per minute and 0.02 centimeter per revolution is speed. The feed are already given in centimeter per revolution, so no need to convert this into centimeter. So you have to remember that always the feed should be in centimeter per revolution. Always it will be given in millimeter per revolution. You have to convert it into centimeter per revolution by dividing it by 10. So the depth of the hole is 2 centimeter. The diameter of the hole is 2 centimeter. Depth of the hole is 2 centimeter. Diameter of the hole it should be 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. The cutting speed is 21.9 meter per second. The speed is 0.02 centimeters per revolution. Number of holes is 4. So next 100s by pi d. Now to find out the RPM for rotation. So you have to remember in drilling operation you have to take the diameter of the drill bit, not the diameter of the workpiece, because here the drill bit rotates usually. The workpiece remains constant in drilling machine. So you have to take into consideration diameter of the drill bit while calculating the RPM. So 100s by pi d. So s is cutting speed, which is given as 21.9 meter per second. Pi is 3.14. Diameter you have to take as a diameter of the drill bit. So depth of the hole is 2 centimeters. So we are using a drill bit of 2 centimeters. So you have to take the diameter as 2. That you have to remember every time. So the RPM will come as 350. So substitute here. The time for drilling is length divided by feed into N, where L is the length of the drilling, or depth of the drilling is uh, depth of the hole is 2 centimeter. Okay. So here is some mistake in the problem. So both the diameter and the hole is 2 centimeter. Diameter of the hole is also 2 centimeter. So this is 2 centimeter. Both the depth and the uh, depth and the length is 2 centimeter. So length is 2 centimeter here. So feed is 0.02 centimeter per revolution, and feed and RPM you have calculated here to 350 RPM. If you substitute this, you will get time for drilling for one hole. We required 0.2857 minutes. So this is for one hole. We have 4 holes, such kind of 4 holes. So 4 into 0.2857 will gives you 1.143 minutes. It is the final answer for drilling 4 holes. So both the length and diameter is 2 centimeter. Okay. So we continue with the next problem. What machining time will be required to drill a 15 millimeter dia hole? So diameter of the hole is 15 mm through a 50 mm thick steel plate. The feed for the drill should be 0.2 millimeter per revolution and the RPM is 1480. Take an allowance of 0.3 D for taper end of the drill. So allowance to take 0.3 D. So you have to find out the machining time to drill a 15 millimeter dia, that is 0.15 centimeter. So 15 mm thick, that means the depth of the hole should be 50 mm or 5 centimeter. The feed for drill should be 0.2 millimeter per revolution. So you have to convert it into centimeter per revolution. That will become 0.02 centimeter per revolution, and RPM is given as constant. So no need to find out the RPM here, it is directly given. So cutting speed is also not required because already the RPM is given. The cutting speed is required to find out the RPM. So here RPM is directly given, no cutting speed is given. So diameter of the hole is 15 mm, that is 1.5 centimeter, and depth of the hole is 50 mm, 5 centimeter. Feed is 0.2 millimeter per revolution. Convert it into centimeter per revolution. So 0.02 centimeter per revolution. RPM is 1480 RPM. Allowance is 0.3 D. So time for machining equals to L plus allowance we have to consider. Allowance means extra time is required because you have to make taper at the end of the hole. So for that extra length you have to take as 0.3 D. So L plus 0.3 D. So it has to take only if it is given. So if it has not given, you have to take this much formula only. T equals to L divided by F into N. So allowance he has given the mention. So 0.3 times the diameter. So length of the hole is depth of the hole is 5 centimeter plus 0.3 into diameter is 1.5. So feed is 0.02. So substituted here, and RPM directly given 1400. The answer will be 0.184 minute. There is only one hole, so no need to multiply with something factors. So this is the final answer. So next problem is calculate the time required for drilling a component as shown in figure. Assume the cutting speed as 22 meter per minute and feed as 0.02 centimeter per revolution. All dimensions are in mm. Calculate the time required for drilling a component as shown in figure. So you have to drill a component as shown in figure. Assume the cutting speed as 22 meter per minute and feed as 0.0 centimeter per revolution. All dimensions in minutes. So this is the figure he has given. So this requires two operations. We cannot do this operation directly. So initially you have to drill a hole of 10 mm dia for a length of 20 plus 50 70 in the first step. So you cannot directly drill 20 mm dia hole and again 10 mm dia hole. So we have to make it step by step. So in the initial step you have to drill a hole of 10 mm dia for a length of 70 mm. So like this. So after that you have to make a another drill bit. You have to use a drill bit of 20 mm dia and you have to drill a hole for a length of 20 mm. Okay, so two steps you have to make. So speed is given as 0.02 centimeter per revolution and depth of cutting speed as 22 meter per minute. Drilling a hole of diameter 10 mm for a depth of 70 mm. So 70 mm, 20 plus 50, 70 mm, diameter 10. So first step, diameter is 1 centimeter, 10 millimeter means 1 centimeter, and depth is 70 millimeter, 7 centimeter. N1 is 100 S by pi D1. So here we have to take the diameter of the drill bit. So 100 into 22 is the cutting speed. Pi into drill bit we are taking off 1 centimeter dia. So RPM will be 702.8 RPM. So next time for first operation. So L divided by F into N. L is 7 centimeter. F is 0.02. RPM is 700.28. So 0.5 minute is required for first step. This minute. So next step you have to drill another hole of dia 20 mm up to 20 mm length. So next step is like this one. So this 20 mm dia for a length of 20 millimeter or 2 centimeter. So diameter is 20 millimeter, 2 centimeter. L2 is 2 centimeter. 100 S by pi d. Here now you have to take little bit size as D2 as 2 because we are making a 2 millimeter, 2 centimeter dia hole. So RPM will be 350.14. So L2 is 2. Length of the hole is 2. F is 0.02 and the RPM is 350.14. You substitute this, you will get 0.286 minutes for second operation. So total time will be time for first operation and time for second operation. So 0.5 plus 0.286, 0.6 786 minutes. So next problem is on thread cutting. Find out the time for threading on a 3 centimeter dia aluminum bar of length 10 centimeter by a single point tool if 3 threads per centimeter are to be cut and speed of the bar is 80 rpm. Assuming suitable approach and overrun and number of cuts. So you have to assume the suitable approach, overrun and number of cuts. So solution. So diameter of the thread is 3 centimeter. In aluminum bar, length of the thread is 10 centimeter. Single point tool. The thread 3 threads per centimeter has to be cut. This is the pitch. Pitch is given by for single starter 1 divided by threads per centimeter. So 1 divided by 3 is your pitch centimeter. So speed is rpm is 80. So here number of threads to be cut per centimeter is 3. So pitch is given by some one formula is there for pitch calculation, 1 divided by number of threads per centimeter. So 1 divided by number of threads per centimeter is 3. So that pitch is 1 by 3 centimeter is your pitch. So assuming approach and overrun as 0.7 centimeter, you are assuming that you can take any value, either you can take 0.5 or 0.6 or whatever, because you have to ask it to assume. So don't worry about these things. So you have to take some value, but you have to mention clearly how much you are taking. So length of the tool travel will be length of the job plus approach and overrun. Length of the thread is 10 centimeter. So length you have to cover 10 centimeter. This approach and overrun is required because the threading operation tool will start from some extra position from the beginning, and it will cover some extra position or extra length after finishing the threading operation. So that is approach and overrun. So we are assuming it as 0.7 centimeter. So 10 is the actual length of the thread and 0.7 is allowance. So total length has to be covered by the tool is 10.7 centimeter. So for aluminum, so number of cuts also he has asked us to assume. So for from the table for aluminum, number of cuts required is 4 for aluminum. The material, depending upon the material, we have some table for taking number of cuts. So he has mentioned that this is the component is made up of aluminum. So we required 4 cuts for aluminum. We are taking it from table. So time required for threading, length of the tool travel, that is 10.7, pitch is 1 by 3, rpm is given 80. So number of cuts required is 4. So substitute everything, you will get 1.0605 minutes for threading operation. Next, calculate the time required for threading on a 30 mm dia spindle for a length of 100 mm by using single point tool. If the threads per centimeter are to be cut, if 3 threads per centimeter are to be cut, and speed of the spindle is 66 rpm, assuming suitable approach and overrun for the tool. So we have to calculate the time required for threading. 30 mm diameter of the thread is 30 mm dia for a length of 100 mm. So length is 100 mm, that is 10 centimeter by using single point tool. If 3 threads per centimeter are to be cut, so this is useful for finding pitch. The pitch is given by 1 divided by number of threads per centimeter. So number of threads per centimeter is 3. So 1 divided by 3 is your pitch, and the rpm is given as n is 66 rpm, assuming suitable approach and overrun. The pitch is 1 by 3 centimeter, rpm is 66, and assuming approach and overtake as 0.5 each, 0.5 centimeter for approach, overtake as 0.5 centimeter. You can take any value, don't worry about these things, because you are assuming. You can take 0.7 total as your approach and overrun as 0.7 also. So you can take any value, but you have to mention how much you have taken. So length of the tool travel is 10 centimeter is the actual length of the thread. So 0.5 is the approach and 0.5 is the overrun. The total length has to be covered by the tool is 11 centimeter. 11 centimeter. So length of the travel is 11, pitch is 1 by 3, and time required for threading is given by the formula length of the travel, pitch into RPM. So length is 11, pitch is 1 by 3, RPM is 66.5 minutes. So for full depth of cut, take 7 cuts. So you have to take this number of cuts. So this 0.5 minute is the time required for one cut. So threading operation is not finished by one cut. So it depends on number of cuts. So uh, how to take this number of threads means you have one option. If the material is given, then depending upon the material, you can take the number of cuts from the table. But here the material is not mentioned in the problem. But for external, another formula is there, that is 25 times the pitch per external thread. We are making external thread, so pitch is 1 by 3. 25 times 1 by 3 is uh, 8 cuts. So we are taking 8 cut here. So zero point 0.5 into 8 cuts will be uh, we are taking 8 cut here. So 25 times the pitch is 8 cuts, approximately 8 cuts. The total time required for 8 cuts is 0.5 for one cut. 0.5 into 8 is 4 minutes. 4 minutes is required for total threading of. So thank you for watching this session.